In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up vendors in QuickBooks Online. Setting up vendors might seem like a daunting task, but it really doesn't have to be. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll see how simple it really is. So, let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to navigate to the left panel of your QuickBooks Online account. Here, you'll find several options, but what we're interested in right now is the Expenses tab. Go ahead and click on that. You'll notice that this tab holds the key to managing your financial outflows efficiently. Think of it as your personal expenditure hub. Once you're in the Expenses section, your next stop is the Vendors tab. A click on this will present you with a list of all the vendors you currently have. If you're setting this up for the first time, this list might be empty, but not for long. If you already have vendors listed, this tab is where you can manage and update their information as needed. Now, to add a new vendor, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button that says New Vendor. Clicking this will open up a form where you'll enter the details of the vendor you wish to add to your list. It's in this form where you'll put in all the necessary information. Make sure you're thorough here. Accurate records will help in keeping track of your transactions and aid in more precise financial reporting. Details like the vendor's name, business address, contact information, and any other relevant data should be filled out. Though it might seem a bit tedious, taking a few extra minutes to input detailed information can save you time and potential headaches in the future. Once you've carefully filled out all the required fields, the final step is to click on Save. This button is usually at the bottom of the form, and just like that, you're done. Congratulations! You've now added a new vendor to QuickBooks Online. It's as simple as that. This streamlined process should make managing your vendor list much easier, leaving you more time to focus on other critical aspects of your business. Whether it's ordering supplies, making payments, or simply keeping your records neat and organized, having an updated vendor list is crucial. If this process still feels a little unfamiliar, don't worry. With practice, you'll be able to navigate through these steps with ease. As you get accustomed to QuickBooks Online, you'll find that it's a powerful tool not just for vendor management, but for many other financial tasks as well. So keep exploring, continue to learn, and soon you'll be a QuickBooks Pro. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful.